Hey everyone, welcome to another Tale and Tea video. Today I am bringing you another factory tea from the steeping room. This is 2005 Xiaguan T8653 thick paper iron cake raw pu'er. So, before I start, if you want to skip around, I'll have everything timestamped below. First I'm going to go over description and price. This 2005 Xiaguan T8653 thick paper iron cake is a very solid choice for anyone looking to enjoy semi-aged classic raw pu'er productions. The wet leaves give off a really nice incense-like aroma mixed with hints of wood and caramelized sugars, a promising start once steeped. You get a lovely aged woodiness with loads of Xiaguan, a thick minty coolness in the throat. Right from the start, there's an interesting sweet thickness to the liquor, lively with notes of sweet plum and touch of tartness. By the third steep, the tea starts flexing, showing off strength and body without any unwanted bitterness. Overall, it's warm and complex, clearly well made, highly recommended. This tea is stored in Taiwan until early 2025. The wrappers have some dings and are showing some age. Each cake is 357 grams. So a sample that I have here is $13 for 25 grams, and a whole cake is $145, which I think is reasonable for a 357 gram cake that's 2005. Here's what the wrapper says, in case you want to pause that. I will note that on the wrapper here, it has a different age in Taiwan compared to what the website says. So maybe they got a new shipment and that's what the new age of it is. But I will show you the leaves real quick. There's not much to say about the smell, just kind of a mild aged pu'er scent, nothing crazy going on. And I'm going to go in with a double wash today, 212 Fahrenheit, as quick as possible for both. I'm going to do that off camera because it's boring, so I will be right back. Alright, double wash is done. Leaves are a little bit fluffed out, still kind of compact. A lot of dust came off of them, I will say, a lot of little bits. Let me talk about the wet smell. There is a ever so slight hint of a raw pu'er. I'm used to fresher raw pu'er, so a fresher raw pu'er. There's a ever so slight hint of what it once was, of that plant, like the plantiness, the little bit of astringency, the I don't know, the freshness. It's very very slight. There is a over just mainly, I'm gonna say it's kind of a interesting woody basement, old aged, maybe incense vibe, and that's like the predominant smell I get off of it as a whole. Definitely a wet basement kind of smell. And that first steep that I just did was done at 212 Fahrenheit or 100 degrees Celsius. I don't know, you saw how long it was. I didn't actually time it. Probably about 10 seconds, maybe 15. Beautiful color on it. Quite a bit of dust coming off this tea. It is quite aged, so maybe that's to be expected, or maybe that's how factory tea is. I don't know. Pretty new to it, but every time I do a steep, it seems a bunch of dust does come off of it. I imagine the smell's going to change. I've found that these aged teas, as you steep them, the smell of that damp basement age kind of disappears a little more. So, yeah, hopefully more fruitiness or more, I don't know, sugary or caramelized notes come out over that kind of damp basement smell this is rocking with so far. But I will say, beautiful color on the liquid. Yeah, I think already the smell's definitely changing. I think a little more of that nice pu'er scent, a little bit of that, what they say, a minty coolness is coming through in the smell, as well as some like sweetness, a little bit of a fruitiness coming through, along with the wood, and that age scent is kind of taking a back seat, which I think would be my preference. I'm not a huge, not too fond of that like age smell. It reminds me of like old people and like decrepit basements. So there's that. All right, I'm gonna taste that first steep. Very, very nice mouthfeel on this one so far. I think this might be another one like the last aged pour I got, where it got sweeter over time, or at least hopefully it will, or it just got different over time. So far, flavor-wise, it's pretty mild. Really nice texture on it, though. And it does have a little bit of that, they said loads of the Xiaguan, the minty coolness. I will say it has a little. Maybe it'll be more as it goes. So far, it mostly just tastes of kind of an incense, wood-like flavor and nice, thick mouthfeel. Mouth watering at first, then becomes mouth drying. Literally zero bitterness and like no astringency, very low astringency so far. So I'm gonna do a second steep. All right, here is that second steep. This may be one that I end up interjecting more footage at the end from just my later steeps, because I do have a feeling it's gonna change and adjust. I think that might be something that happens more with these aged pours, which is kind of fun, kind of interesting. Smells about the same as the last steep, but still nice. Definitely picked up a lot more color. That was 212 Fahrenheit, probably about 15 seconds. Nice deep orange color. Alright, I'm going to try the second steep. Still a nice full mouthfeel. A little bit of a fruitiness. Definitely has a bit more of that cooling sensation. I'd say overall, still mostly just woody tasting. And a little bit of that incense kind of vibe as well. I imagine it'll change as I keep going. But I think that's all I have to say for now. I'll probably interject in a bit into these steeps, because I imagine this is going to go for a while, and come back with an update. But if this ends up being it, thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment. See ya.